Learn Hindi permission phrases. May 2.
अनुमति है.
Welcome to Permission Land. Hey, you're about to learn how to say permission phrases in Hindi without sounding like a confused tourist asking a chair for approval. Let's make this easy, funny, and very memorable. Today's magic idea is the English word, may. In this lesson, we connect it with Hindi permission language like
saknā.
and.
अनुमति है.
Imagine a giant golden gate. It does not open with muscles, karate, or dramatic eyebrow movement. It opens only when permission appears. That is your theme today. Your core word. Start with the base idea first, because every language loves giving you the key before showing you the door. The core word is may, and here we link it to
saknā.
Picture this. You stand at a library door and ask politely, "May I come in?" The librarian smiles, stamps your card, and the word glows.
saknā.
Say it slowly.
saknā.
Memory trick.
saknā.
Is like a key for permission and ability, but context matters. Here, think permission. I may. Now let's make it personal. Because sometimes you are not asking for world peace. You just want permission to enter the room. I may can be expressed here as
मुझे अनुमति है.
example, I may enter now. Becomes
मुझे अनुमति है.
now to go in. Imagine you hold a shiny pass at a gate. On it, in bold letters, it says
मुझे अनुमति है.
mini drill. English, I may. Hindi,
मुझे अनुमति है.
again, I may.
मुझे अनुमति है.
You may. Time to give permission to someone else. Use this power wisely. Do not start approving penguins for driving lessons. You may, in this lesson is
तुम कर सकते हो.
imagine a teacher opening the classroom door and saying
तुम कर सकते हो.
mini dialogue. A. Can I ask a question? B.
तुम कर सकते हो.
Repeat it once.
तुम कर सकते हो.
Funny image. Even a royal cat on a throne says to you, very seriously,
तुम कर सकते हो.
he may and she is allowed to. Now we move into gossip grammar. Not evil gossip, educational gossip. He may, is.
वो कर सकता है.
Example, he may go now.
वो कर सकता है.
She is allowed to, is.
उसे अनुमति है.
Example, she is allowed to enter.
उसे अनुमति है.
Picture a boy at one door and a girl at another. The signs flash.
वो कर सकता है.
And.
उसे अनुमति है.
Quick contrast, he may.
वो कर सकता है.
She is allowed to.
उसे अनुमति है.
It is allowed. Sometimes nobody is the star of the sentence. The rule itself is the star. Very dramatic, very official. It is allowed, is.
अनुमति है.
Imagine a park sign. Yesterday it said, do not enter. Today it flips and says,
अनुमति है.
example, photography is allowed.
अनुमति है.
Another example, here it is allowed.
यहाँ अनुमति है.
This phrase feels like a green traffic light in words.
अनुमति है.
We are allowed to. Good news, you are not alone anymore. The whole group gets permission. This is emotionally powerful and logistically convenient. We are allowed to, is.
हमें अनुमति है.
Example, we are allowed to enter now.
हमें अनुमति है.
Imagine your whole team waiting outside a museum. The guard checks the list, nods, and announces.
हमें अनुमति है.
Speak it once with confidence.
हमें अनुमति है.
If you remember only one group phrase today, make it this one. You all may and they are allowed to. Now let's go plural. Because one person with permission is nice, but a whole group with permission feels like the opening scene of an adventure movie. You all may, is.
तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
Imagine a coach telling the team.
तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
They are allowed to, is.
उन्हें अनुमति है.
Imagine a guide checking a list and saying.
उन्हें अनुमति है.
Quick pair drill. You all may.
तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
They are allowed to.
उन्हें अनुमति है.
Funny door dialogue. Let's put all the phrases into one little scene. Imagine the strictest building in the world, guarded by one suspicious uncle and one deeply judgmental cat. At the gate, I ask, "May I enter?" The guard points to my pass and says,
मुझे अनुमति है.
My friend asks, "What about me?" The guard says,
तुम कर सकते हो.
A boy behind us waits nervously. The guard checks the list.
वो कर सकता है.
A girl arrives with perfect timing and dramatic hair. The cat guard meows approval.
उसे अनुमति है.
Then the whole team arrives. The gate lights up.
हमें अनुमति है. तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
And for the people on the official guest list.
उन्हें अनुमति है.
On the wall, a glowing sign simply says,
अनुमति है.
Quick quiz time. No panic. This is the friendly kind of quiz, not the kind where your pencil suddenly forgets how to pencil. How do you say, may, in the core lesson?
saknā.
How do you say, I may?
मुझे अनुमति है.
How do you say, you may?
तुम कर सकते हो.
How do you say, he may?
वो कर सकता है.
How do you say, she is allowed to?
उसे अनुमति है.
How do you say, it is allowed?
अनुमति है.
How do you say, we are allowed to?
हमें अनुमति है.
How do you say, you all may?
तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
How do you say, they are allowed to?
उन्हें अनुमति है.
Wrap up and keep practicing. You did great. Seriously, you now know more permission Hindi than many imaginary cats in authority. Let's finish with one last flow. May.
saknā.
I may.
मुझे अनुमति है.
You may.
तुम कर सकते हो.
He may.
वो कर सकता है.
She is allowed to.
उसे अनुमति है.
It is allowed.
अनुमति है.
We are allowed to.
हमें अनुमति है.
You all may.
तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
They are allowed to.
उन्हें अनुमति है.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and give yourself permission to enjoy the process.